So guys, let's do a quick tour dito sa Villa Tomasa, Alona Q. So ito yung entrance ng lobby nila. Ayan. So they have second floor there. Ganda ng main entrance, no? So mga rooms ata doon to the left, and then here to the right may mga rooms din dito. And then paglabas mo nitong building na to, this is the first swimming pool. This is where it is located. Yung first pool nila here. Then may mga accommodation din sila dyan. There. So ayan guys, that's their first pool. So they have 3 different pools here. Also there, additional accommodation, syempre in there. So ang laki ng ng area nila dito, guys. Yan. So yan guys, so okay, diba? It's their first pool. So additional accommodations there. Okay. So mini-maintain talaga nila yung landscape ng resort nila dito. Then going down guys, doon sa far end na yon, doon na yung beach eh. So here, pagbaba dito na yung additional 2 pools nila. Ayan. Ayan guys. So ito, so, mga accommodations din yung mga nasa gilid dito. Ito yung poolside na accommodations nila on my right. So ito yung third and second na pool nila. And then sa taas, mga accommodations din yan. So ang dami talaga dito. Doon, ito guys, ito, yan, that part, accommodation din yan. Doon yung actually room namin. So, nakatagod sa pool. So, upon crossing here, ito guys, yung restaurant nila. So, dito kami nagbe-breakfast, nagbe-lunch, and then dinner. They also serve yung mga unlimited buffet there. So, ito guys. Oh, sorry. Ako yung camera. So, yan. So, diba? Ayan. No? Ganda ng resort, no? Panalo yung resort. Pasok tayo dun sa sa restaurant. Tignan natin. Ito ko sa inyo yung restaurant guys. Please use the main door. Oh, sa kabila tayo. It says, yeah. What? Okay. Wait. That's Caleb. So, I'll show you guys yung bar area nila. Also, the restaurant. Yung loob ng restaurant. So, ito pala guys. That's what I've mentioned earlier. So, additional accommodation pa rin sa taas. Dyan. Here. Going to the beach doon. Ito yung bar nila. Yes, there. Then, going inside the restaurant. So, ito. Laki ng restaurant. Diba? Here's the buffet table. Yeah. Nice. Huh? There's an access door going to the beach. So, ito na yun, guys. Yeah, and it's very windy today. So, they're serving lunch buffet here outside. Ayan, no? So, there. Ayan. Beachfront na talaga. Very windy. Hindi na cellphone yung gamit natin, guys. Wala tayong dalang vlogging gears again. So, yan na. Diba? There you go. Okay. So, ito yung facade ng Villa Tomasa facing the beach. So, I've mentioned no, meron doon sa kabila. Ito yun guys, oh. Ito yung room namin actually. Ito beachfront na to. Yeah. 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 kami nagstay. Yan. So itong pathwalk na to, ganun din, paikot lang siya, going back to the second and third pool. So ang laki ng Villa Tomasa. So there you go. So, dito lang din tayo ulit, diba? Ayan o. Alright. I hope na you learned something from today's video. Price range ng Villa Tomasa, 4,000 to 5,000 per night. So ganun. That includes breakfast, buffet. So sa amin, my wife and I, and then our kids, so yun yung binayaran namin, between 4,000 to 5,000. I forgot the exact amount per night. No? Alright guys, see you on my next video. Kaya to, ganito a very old infrastructure. So ang daming ganito dito guys sa Bohol. Tayo ang kasalukuyang simbahan yari sa Corrales 1727. Grabe. This one is really awake. Look bro. Wow, magnificent. So ayun, ang daming chocolate guys. Yung mga chocolate hills, sobrang dami. This part ayun Good morning guys. So we are here in Panglao Bohol. So dito kami sa Alona Beach. So for today, mag-land tour kami guys. So we're gonna check out yung mga top tourist destinations dito. Start kami ng mga 10. Wait lang namin yung yung car na I've rented. Ngayon lang tayo guys for the first time gumamit ng cellphone sa pag-vlog. Dahil yesterday, nung malapit na kami sa airport, that's the time that I realized that I don't have my vlogging gears with me. Kahit yung GoPro wala, naiwan ko din pala. What I have is just the batteries. So mag-breakfast muna kami guys. And then bounce na kami. Alright guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast.